Hi, my name is Matt Bergman, and I have a quick question for you. What do these numbers have to do with technology integration, increasing student performance, and creating a culture of innovation? Well, let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was designing a lesson plan, and I realized I was creating unintentional barriers. See, I'd given my students an article to read, and, well, not every student could access it. I needed a recipe to ensure their success. For example, I had a student with visual difficulties who needed a PDF copy to zoom in and zoom out. I had other students in the class who were auditory learners, and so an audio copy worked really well for them. What I found was giving students different options for materials helped them access their curriculum. I also looked for other barriers, high probability barriers that could occur in my lesson, such as vocab. See, Quizlet is the perfect tool to pre-teach vocab terms, but see, students need 6 meaningful ways to interact with terms in order to fully understand them, according to Marzano. So having them interact with those terms in different ways through Quizlet was perfect. But what about the terms I forgot about? Well, Blanche and Shahi was very helpful, so students could type in the term, see a visual representation of it, and then also get the definition. As students progressed through the article, I wanted them to interact with the text. So providing them a tool like the Read, Write, Think Venn diagram maker was really helpful for them to analyze it for similarities and differences. As students progressed through the article and finished, I wanted them to summarize their learning in a way that worked best for them. Having them use a tool like Padlet allowed them to present their information in a way that they felt comfortable with. Now, we all know that students sometimes struggle with organization. So having a tool like Live Binders actually helped organize and keep all the materials in one place so that students could access them. Now, going back to our question, what do these numbers have in common? They're in order by alphabetical order. See, the way that we learn is as different as our DNA or fingerprint. However, there are predictable differences in the way that we learn. We need to represent, express, and engage students in different ways in order to eliminate barriers and increase learning.